Hello there, my name is Dr. Aga. I want to welcome you to this beautiful program called CCSCAT. That is Central Content Source Computer Aided Teaching System. It's a system where we're going to utilize the potentials of the computer in knowledge delivery. Are you a teacher? Are you a lecturer? Are you a facilitator? This program is going to build you up. You will learn how to build lessons, okay, and present to your students and present to your audience, okay. You will learn how to create lessons of your own, okay. You edit the videos and you give them to your students or your audience. I'm going to teach you a lot of things. Video editing. I'll teach you how to write on the screen, okay. You want to write, especially those in sciences. You want to solve calculations on the screen, live, real time. I will teach you everything. All you need to do, the tools you need to buy, I'll put you through all those. So you need a lot. You're going to gain a lot in the course of this program. There are some tools I'll give to you. They're going to download. Some are free. Some you need to buy. I'll give you the link to actually acquire them. So you're welcome on board to this program called CCSCAT. It's a beautiful one. I want to plead with you. Don't enjoy this alone. Please share it. Invite your friends to partake in this program. And you'll be glad you did.